In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business website using Base44. By the end, you'll see how to go from a simple idea to a polished website layout in just a few minutes, and you'll know exactly what to tweak to make it your own. First, open Base44 in your browser. You'll land on a clean workspace where the tool is ready to generate a site for you. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the builder loads quickly. Once the page is open, you're ready to describe what you want to create. In the main prompt area, describe the app or site you have in mind in plain language. The more specific you are, the better your starting point will be. Think about the type of business, who it serves, and the pages you need. Clarity helps the generator set up your structure, sections, and placeholder content so you spend less time reworking things later. For this example, type, create a business website for a digital marketing agency with homepage, services page, pricing, blog, and contact form. That single sentence gives Base44 enough direction to assemble a complete multi-page layout with relevant sections. If your business offers something different, keep the same structure but swap in your own industry, page list, or key features. Now submit your prompt by pressing enter. You'll see the builder start working. This step typically takes a moment as it prepares your pages, menus, and initial copy. If you don't get what you expected, you can refine your prompt and run it again, but let's move forward with this example. Once the site loads, begin making edits. Start with the home page, update the headline so it clearly states your value proposition. Add a short subheading for context, and check that the primary call to action is obvious. On the services page, rewrite each service to match how you actually deliver value, and keep descriptions concise and benefit focused. In pricing, adjust plan names, features, and rates to reflect your real offers, and add brief explanations so customers understand the differences. For the blog, replace placeholder posts with topics your audience cares about, and make sure titles are clear and searchable. Finally, open the contact form and confirm the fields you need. Keep it simple to encourage submissions, and verify the button label is action-oriented. As you edit, preview the flow across pages to ensure the navigation makes sense and that headings, colors, and tone feel consistent. Aim for scannable text, strong visuals, and clear calls to action. When everything reads well and reflects your brand, you're done. That's how to quickly create a business website using Base44.